Question number 16. Air leak in air suspension system, damaged, patched, cut, bruised, cracked to braid or deflated airbag. Say, I have 4 airbags. I'll demonstrate these 2 airbags. Now check the airbag with the bare hands and try to find if there is any leak. And say, I can't feel any air leak from the airbag. Now try to listen any air leak. And say, I can't listen any air leak from the airbag. Now check the airbag and say, there is no damage like no cut, no patch, not bruised, no crack to braid. Now check the airbag with the fist and say, my airbags is not deflated. Now check the airbag fastener and say, airbag is securely mounted to the tractor body. Now say, I can show you the other airbags also. It's good. Read minor or major in the schedule 1 and describe. If there is an air leak in air suspension system, it is a minor defect. I will note on in my logbook, call the operator and I can drive. If damaged, patched, cut, bruised, cracked to braid or deflated airbag or insecurely mounted airbag, it is a major defect. I will note on in my logbook, call the operator and I will not drive.